My favorite character in the movie is Shivaji Raja sir. I don't know. I just really liked his character so much. He was so adorable to be Vishnu's father, and my father is like that, he helps me out. So I really liked his character. And after that, Swecha. Because I'm cool like that. Ha! Okay. Oh, this is annoying. One sec. Do I look okay? Second question. Again, second question, if you're really Swecha in your real life, will you accept Aravind after all what he is and what he has done? Well, Mr. Aravind, I will forgive what you have done, but I won't forget. I'll do that. Third, assign Swecha, Aravind, Renu characters to 3 people from Mental Madhilo team. I'll give Swecha to Raj sir because he seems like he knows everything. He's at least clear about what he wants from us, from everybody, from the movie, from the story, from the director. I think he's pretty clear about everything. And hello there, don't cross my video, can you? Okay, and then I have Arvind's character. I'll definitely give it to Vivek because what is in will come out. So he has got all 3 characters in his head, and he has done Aru's character very well, well played. And Renu's character, who can we give Renu's character to? Nandu, can you tell me who can we give Renu's character to? Okay, at least help me out, no Baba. Never mind. Renu's character, we didn't excuse me. Okay, Renu's character, I don't know. I don't think we have anybody as Renu in our team as such. Nobody. How's the reception from Telugu audience? I am in love with TFI, and I'm looking forward to do more films in TFI because everybody is so respectful and very grateful, and they really respect good cinema, which is good. Good for me, good for everybody, good for new directors and new actresses like me. So yeah, thank you for appreciating and thank you for your support. The script demands, then I'll work with whomever. I don't have any restrictions. Okay, I'm really going crazy, okay? I shouldn't, because this candle is making me crazy. This candle smells so good. Okay, what is the next question? If not me, who do you think would best fit in the Swecha's role? Nobody. None. Nobody can do Aru, nobody can do Reno, nobody can do Swecha better than us. That's why Vivek chose us. Hello. Ha. If MM gets remade into Tamil, who do you think can play Aravind, Swecha and Reno? Swecha will be me. I'm not going to give up on Swecha. No, not that easily. Aravind, honestly, I don't think anybody can play Aravind better than Vishnu. So I think Vishnu has to learn Tamil, and Tamil audience will like him for sure, and it will be a debut film for him, like how it was debut for me. Renu as well, yeah, definitely nobody else can play it better than our very own Amrita. Okay, who has been your inspiration in movies from Bollywood or Tollywood or world cinema? Um, I like Audrey Hepburn a lot. I've been watching a lot of her documentaries, and I don't really have inspiration from the cine world. I have a lot of inspiration to pursue my dreams, but not from cine world as such. Um, and my biggest inspiration is my dad, because he came out of nowhere and he knocked it all off. So yeah, my parents. Describe Sree, Vishnu, Raj, Sir, and Vivek in one word. Sree Vishnu, quiet. Can I say one more word? Dedicated. Raj Sir, smart. Vivek is also smart and dedicated and a good writer. Okay, what difference have you noticed in Tamil and Telugu film industry? Honestly, not much difference. It's been the same. It's definitely been the same. And this particular team, I think I am just blessed to be working with such amazing, dedicated team. As we said, I don't remember wasting even 5 minutes on set. So it's definitely good to work with a young team who knows their trades and who knows the value of time. So I'm really happy that I worked with my Madhilo team. And I love both industries, Tamil and Telugu industry. Thank you.